Hi friends, how are you? My name is Erica and today I'm here to share very important information about Folifort that you need to know if you are going to buy this product. But first I want to warn you about scams that are happening if you don't buy it on the official website. So to help you I left the official website link below in the video description, so you don't run the risk of buying a counterfeit product. Folifort is an effective supplement for hair development that offers several advantages, including restoring lost hair and increasing volume, strength, and shine. The formula contains several active ingredients, such as antioxidants and minerals, which protect the scalp from irritation and work to rejuvenate the follicles at the root. Folifort is an all-natural hair growth supplement that helps reverse the signs of hair loss and encourages healthy, natural hair growth. The natural hair restorer that helps in strengthening and preventing hair loss contains vitamins B5, zinc, biotin, white peony root, among many others. The best results come when you take Folifort consistently for 3 to 6 months to give your hair time to regenerate and regain its strength. Therefore, it is strongly recommended to do the complete treatment of 3 or 6 bottles. And it can be used by women or men who suffer from hair loss, baldness, weak hair. Suitable for people between 30 and 70 years of age. Just take 2 capsules every day after eating the evening meal with a glass of water until you get the desired results. All ingredients are antibiotic-free, sourced from non-GMO cultures, and manufactured in an FDA-registered facility with absolutely no animal testing involved. And it follows the latest GMP guidelines and procedures. Folifort has been standing out in the market because it has proven to be effective for the vast majority of people who take it. Really fantastic. Even on the sales page that I left here at the link below, there are people reporting the results they had after using this product. But it is very important for you to know that you have to test this product to see if it will work for you, because each organism works in a different way. If your experience is not 100% satisfactory, you can request a refund within 60 days of purchase. The cool thing is that your order arrives directly at your house in a period of 5 to 7 business days. Delivery is very fast. So that's it friends, this is my review about Folifort. I hope it helped you. Remembering that the official website is here in the description. Thank you. Bye.